I'd like to ask you to consider this question. Do single Catholics have a vocation? The answer is a resounding yes. We have a vocation that is robust and rich and given to us in our baptism. When we are baptized, Jesus says to us, "Go and make disciples of all nations." But how do we do it? What's it like? I'd like to invite you to join me and other single Catholics from around the country and even the world for a 4-week series in June called Mission Possible: Living Your Baptismal Vocation. In this series, we will talk about how to share a testimony, how to talk to people about Jesus. And not only that, you'll get a chance to practice with each other these skills that you need for your toolbox to live your vocation. You can find out more information about this series on the National Catholic Singles Conference website, and registration is due by May 31st. I hope you'll join us.